This is reflex integration for the palmar reflex. The palmar reflex emerges at 11 weeks in utero and is present at birth and should be integrated by 2 to 3 months of age. Usually the baby, when you put your finger in their hand, they'll grasp and they'll pull in. Often the thumb will come in between the fingers. It should be replaced by the child developing a pincer grip between the thumb and the index finger. So the remediation starts with brushing exercise, where you're going to brush down the palm towards the fingers, and you can also brush across, sort of in a T-shaped pattern, down and across. And this should start with 5 strokes, working your way up to 30 strokes 3 times a day until the reflex disappears. This exercise is only to be done if recommended by your chiropractor or medical health professional.